Hello dear customer, this is Ivan from QLQ company. Today I would like to share with you our Meta Zipper chamfering machine with you. As you can see, this is the whole view of this machine. So now follow my video and I will share more details with you. As you can see, this is our main control panel. In this main control panel, we have the stop, the power switch, and the polish and receive, and also the collector switch. And from this side, we have the electric box, and this is the whole view of this electric box. This is our nameplate, and our nameplate we will put some basic information of this machine inside. And so now let's introduce the function of this machine. The zipper will go through from this frame, and when the zipper arrives at this part, you can see it will go through this pressure wheel and go into this machine. So now let me open this chamber for your checking. As you can see, there are totally 8 P6 polishing wheels, the downside and the upside. And the zipper will go into this downside, and after this 4 wheels polishing, it will come into the upside and go through another 4 wheels polishing. And after going through these 8 polishing wheels, it will finish the chamfering machine. Actually, the main function of this machine is to polishing the 3 sides of the zipper teeth. Let me show to you which 3 sides. The first size and the second size and third size. So totally it will polish with 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, not polishing the surface. So this is the main function of this machine. So my friend, this is a brief introduction of our Meta Zipper chamfering machine. And if you want to get more details of this machine, and if you want to make your zipper more smoothly, and please feel free to contact us. Thank you.